my YouTube channel, and for today's video I will discuss about what are the different types of system integration methods. System integration is essential both for business-to-business communication and internal cooperation within an enterprise. In this video, I will explain what is system integration, what methods have traditionally been used for implementation. System integration is the process of connecting different subsystems or components into larger systems that functions as one. With regards to software solutions, system integration is typically defined as the process of linking together various IT systems, services, or software to enable them to work functionally together. Typical integration methods are divided into the following different categories. The first is point-to-point integration. Point-to-point integration is also known as one-to-one integration. It's the simpler of the two integration models. Point-to-point integration is used when a sender has to send a message to a single receiver. As an example, an organization may need to update a human resource database with information from an ERP system. In this model, the destination is a queue, provided the integration broker, in which the sender can place messages. A given message is placed in an individual queue. The sequence in the point-to-point model is as follows. The sender places a message in the queue. The integration broker forwards the message to the appropriate receiver. Before forwarding the message, the broker can also do additional processing, such as transforming the message. Then, the receiver receives the message and processes it as appropriate. The next type of system integration is the vertical integration. This is normally relative, simple, and easy method that only involves limited number of systems, more than two. But on the other hand, this integration method is rigid and more difficult to manage in the long term, as any new functionality will require its own functional silo. Still, this method can be used effectively to create simple integrations that only need to address a single function. One of the most prominent examples of the company with sustained success in vertical integration is the world's leading smartphone maker, Apple Inc. The next type of system integration methods is the horizontal integration, aka Enterprise Service Bus or ESB. The horizontal integration definition under the construct of system integration is more than an one-off process. A specialized subsystem is assigned to communicate with the other subsystems. This integrated method also involves the creation of an application layer to allow programmatic connections between various applications through the ESB. In turn, it becomes a systemic system integration. Some horizontal integrations can be found throughout the healthcare sector, helping to simply integrated medical systems. The next one is star integration. Star integration relies on the point-to-point method of integrating system components. When this system integration method interconnects each system to the remaining subsystems, the series of connections can look like a star polyhedron. Although the presentation of the diagram as a whole can look messy and interwoven like a plate of spaghetti. In other words, the whole neat and tidy IT infrastructure becomes quickly disorganized if a company approaches Customer Resource Management System or CIM would integrate Salesforce. Data from each systems could be pulled and combined as needed. Thus, STAR integration is simultaneously the simplest and most complex version of SI. Currently, STAR integration is often employed outside of a comprehensive technology strategy. For instance, point-to-point integration may be used to meet the data analytics need for a specific business unit in sales or marketing while going unchecked by IT. While the integrated STAR system cost is unpredictable, as integration fees and deployment time can skyrocket from subsystem export, heterogeneous or proprietary interfaces. There are some limited advantages to this integration method. It includes quick application feature implementation, deployment flexibility, and simplicity. The last type of system integration method is the common data format integration. Integration different IT systems to each other usually require that the data coming out from one system needs to be transformed to a different data format used by receiving system. As with the STAR integration, if each transformation needs to be done system by system basis, the number of data transformations increases significantly and becomes a high maintenance task. To overcome this problem, common data format approach allows each system to do one data conversion from its native format to the common and vice versa. This way, the number of required data transformation is just as high as the number of the subsystem. So, an example of a common data format is converting zip codes to city names by merging or dividing objects from one app or database to one another. And once again, the types of system integration methods are point-to-point integration, vertical integration, STAR integration, horizontal integration, and common data format integration. And I think that would be it for this video, and thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!